this video, I will explain you how to create Kink survey. First, you need to click Add on, Coffee Form, and then Load Form Template. You can search Kink survey, and then load select the template, and you can check the dashboard, responses, question, also the settings. After you refresh the page like this, just click Coffee Form and then Get Link, and click Continue. You can choose your account, and then just click Advanced, and go to Coffee Form, and then just click Allow. You will get the link like this. Just copy this and paste it into your search engine. Now the Kink survey is ready to use, but you can also change the questions. For example, I want to insert a new row like text, and then I copy the question text. For example, I change it into name, so it will show like this in the form. You can also change the question type, for example, date, for date of birth, like this, and it will change into date of birth, so the audience can pick their date of birth easily from the calendar. You can also delete the row if you don't use it anymore, so it will disappear instantly. Besides of that, you can also change the background color of your phone from pink into soft pink like this, so it will change. You can also change the style of your title. For example, I want to add a new style here. I want to add mark behavior. You can just follow the step here, alternate, and then scroll amount. For example, here I use 25. And don't forget to close the code like slash mark, and then the title will move like that. Thank you.